This is Eric Moore with Mother.com with yet another educational video, this time taking a look at stocks as relates to cryptos. Let me give you a snapshot for where some of the major cryptos are trading: Ethereum, Bitcoin, LTC, well, even ETC. Alright, so they're down for the day. Not a surprise. But let's go back to a comment I made a couple of weeks ago, if not months ago, about the message that was being given by crypto-related stocks. So, the message that was being relayed to the market by crypto-related stocks. We can see here, the high was in February of 2021 for this crypto-related stock. Now, of course, all of these instruments took part of this late 2020, early 2021 crypto run, but as you can see here, peaked in February. Now remember, today, May 12th, 2021, we are seeing Ethereum coming off its all-time intraday high today, just today. Okay? And that's the daily. The weekly shows that while crypto-related stocks peaked in February, so crypto stocks peaked right here. And while the cryptos, Ethereum for example, pull back slightly and went to this amazing run. Oh, by the way, this was a powerful breakout for those of you who know how to time breakouts, right there at 2000. But that's not the point for this video. The point is, as crypto stocks recovered here after February and went to new highs, crypto stocks, on the other hand, behaved differently. They were sideways, and some were even beginning to break down as crypto instruments went to all-time highs. So I had made a comment that in my opinion, in my estimation, in my experience, I would lean towards what the crypto stocks were doing and are still doing. As of this instant, we see that there's a probability that this is actually staging a fresh break today, this week, as Ethereum records that all-time high. So what's the message there? Let's take a look at another stock, BT. Again, had a nice run early 2021, but you can see it peaked in January. So it's peaking in January while Ethereum is peaking in May. So this divergence has to resolve. And my opinion was, if it's going to resolve, it's going to be to the downside given the big move. And we see here a couple of red flags. There's a failed breakout. This is the weekly closing high here. There's a failed breakout right there. And recently, even as ETC and other cryptos were moving to all-time highs, this instrument had already broken down as of last week. So what was the message there? What was the market message? I think the crypto stocks were sending a message that the crypto run was about to come to an end. Here's another one. Riot peaked in February and recently broke down as of last week. So they broke down last week. That was a message for those who were paying attention that something was about to break in the trend. Take a look at MSTR. Had a big run from late 2020 into early 2021. Huge run. We can say here from, let's call it 150-ish to 1300 in a couple of months. But it too peaked in February. Huge reversal there. Huge reversal. That was 1300, now trading at 550. There's a lot of pain in this instrument. And we can see as of this week, actually, it's breaking below the recent weekly lows. A fresh break. What's the message? In my estimation, the message should be clear. Now take a look at BTC right now. Its high was in early April. And we can also see that in its wake, I should say, it is currently showing a series of failed breakouts. Failed breakout here on the weekly, failed breakout there, failed breakout there, failed breakout there. Now, the big signal is gonna come, if when, if when it breaks below the recent weekly closing high from the month of April. A break below that would mean, in my opinion, the 50% all the way to the probability of 80% pullback off the highs is just about to begin. Be careful out there. Don't believe the hype. Especially don't believe the crypto delusions. It's all sentiment, not fundamentals. The fundamentals were the same here, 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 same here. Same fundamentals as here. The only difference is sentiment. And sentiment can and will change. And so it is. Eric Mother with Mother.com. Love, light, light, love. Namaste.